Shamima Begum was not a child trafficking victim, Home Office says, as her lawyer claims school and police missed opportunities to stop the then-schoolgirl traveling to Syria for sexual exploitation. View comments. Shamima Begum was at low risk of being trafficked to Syria, where she joined ISIS, and there is no evidence the authorities failed her before she fled the UK, a court has heard. Ms. Begum, 23, who is living in a Syrian camp, is challenging the Home Office's decision to remove her British citizenship, with her lawyers arguing that the department had a legal duty to investigate whether she was a victim of trafficking when the decision was made. She was 15 when she and two other East London schoolgirls travelled to Syria to join ISIS in February 2015. In written submissions, Sir James Casey, for the Home Office, said there was no credible suspicion that she was a victim of trafficking or was at real and immediate risk of being trafficked prior to her travel from the UK. He continued, at December 10, 2014, both the police and Ms. Begum's school turned their minds to the question of her potentially travelling to Syria to align with ISIS. However, both considered the risk was low. Sir James said that Ms. Begum's case requires her to prove that her school, local authority and the police fell into error in their assessment of the same issue at the same time. The deprivation decision cannot be retrospectively invalidated by alleged failings to properly investigate, which are said to have occurred after Ms. Begum left the UK, and by other entities which were not involved in the deprivation decision, he continued. The barrister said that Ms. Begum would have to prove that multiple investigations were inadequate, adding, "There is no evidential foundation for that."